How to add a new link into a mobile-friendly navigation menu. Step 1. Click on the Properties button located at the very left of the navigation menu. Choose Add New Menu Item. Step 2. Click on the new menu item, choose Edit to update label and link. Step 3. Go to Preview to check out what your page looks like once published. Use the screen width selector to simulate testing for responsive layouts on different size devices. Step 4. To reposition this new menu item, click on it and select Move Left or Move Right. Let's preview again to check out the new change. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos in this channel for more web design tutorials.